y'all, what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the Hire Company. In today's video, I'll be making wax melts for the first time ever. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I know you see the same shirt as my last video, but I'm trying to film as many videos as I can in one day, so just disregard. I'll be making wax melts for the first time. So I'll link below all the supplies that I have, which is really just the labels and the clamps. So that's what I'm using, is the clams, or the clamshells I think they're called. But I've had this wax for probably 6 months. I don't know how long. I've had it for a very long time, and it's literally just been sitting. Like, y'all, my biggest dilemma was I don't know if I want to make wax melts in molds, like a little heart-shaped mold or circle or whatever shape, and like throw them into a packaging by itself, or just the clamshells. And I just decided on clamshells because I just feel like sometimes I make stuff way too hard for myself and then I'm scrambling in the end. So I'm just doing clamshells for now, for the wax melts. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehireco.com. Alright, so this is the wax that I'll be using. I got it from California Candle Supply. I'll be making 6 wax melts per scent since it's my first time trying this out. And the goal is also 282 grams per scent. So that will give me 6 wax melts. I'll also be doing the max load for this wax, which is 18%. They do recommend on the site that you do anywhere between 15 to 18% whenever you're making wax melts. I chose 18% because I do realize from using the wax from this business, the soy wax tends to soak up the fragrance oil, and given that this is a harder wax, I feel like it would soak it up even more. So I just did the max load, which was 18%. One wax melt I calculated to be 2 ounces. So I did 47 grams of wax and then 10 grams of fragrance oil. I know that's not like the exact number, but I just did it as a whole number to make it easier when I'm weighing it. Right here, I'm just measuring out the fragrance oils beforehand so it's easier when the wax is finished melting. I will be doing 50-50 for the 2 fragrance oils that I'll be mixing together. So it'll be 30 grams plus 30 grams to give me the 60 grams that I need to make 6 wax melts. And each scent will be blended for the wax melts. Now I'm just laying out the clamshells. I will be making 3 different scents today. I also put labels at the bottom of each clamshell group just so I know which scent is which, as well as I'm adding color to our wax melt. So those are the 3 colors that you see up at the top, and I just put them next to their respective fragrance oils. I still follow the same rule that I use when making my candles. So I heat the wax up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, or like 195, somewhere around there, just not to 200, because most of the fragrance oils that I use, they burn off at 200 degrees. But I like to get it a bit hot so that the fragrance oil and the wax combine together properly. But one thing I'm taking differently with making these wax melts are stirring it for 2 minutes, of course, adding the color, and then letting it cool to somewhere between like 130, 140. Because when I was shopping around for clamshells, I seen a lot of people say that the wax would melt their clamshells. and so I didn't want that to happen. So I tried to get it as cool as like I was comfortable with, to where, you know, I can still pour it, but where I feel like it wouldn't melt the clamshells. These to me feel pretty sturdy, but I didn't want to take a chance. So right here you see me measuring it. It's 141. I started for a little longer, and now I'm about to pour. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below. Let me know which one do you like making better, candles or wax melts. Other than that, don't forget to watch the other videos on our channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.